Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm just gonna be doing another protective style to finish off the new year with, and I'm going to be doing my favorite protective style that I've did this year so far, and that is just a crochet style in a mix of burgundy and 1B. I absolutely love it. It's not that I'm not a huge fan of color, but when it comes to color on me, I'm apprehensive to try it, but I'm so glad that I did because I absolutely loved how it turned out. And in fact, I want to do it again, but I want it to be a lot bigger. So we're gonna do some things a little bit different, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are unfamiliar with the crochet style process, you're a new natural and you're still exploring things, I hope you find this video helpful and that you follow me by the end, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. So the crochet hair that I'm using, I'm going to be using the Zury One and Done pack. So more specifically, it's the V8, 9, 10 one pack enough hair. So you will be able to use one pack of this on your entire head and get a full hairstyle at the local beauty supply store here in Tallahassee. It's $16.99 for one pack, but what I wanted is bigger hair, so I got two, and what I'm going to be doing is using only the 9-inch and 10-inch lengths. If you want more of a natural fullness, I recommend that you use one box, and here's a picture of how it looks with one box. So yeah, we're gonna see how it goes with two boxes. I'm holding the hair right in the middle with my finger right there so I don't lose it, and then open hook, put it through the cornrow, put the hair onto the hook, close the latch, pull it through halfway, remove the hook, put the ends of the hair through the loop, crisscross the loop, put the ends of the hair through the loop again, and then pull. And that's basically how to install practically any type of crochet. Is the length 10. Everything you see here, for the back half of my head, I separated the strands into two sections, and then as I got to the crown of my head moving forward, I didn't do any separation of the strands. However, when I got closer to my hairline, sometimes if the strand was a little too big, I would separate it there, but not anywhere else, just on the very edge, so my edges. So yeah, now we're gonna go into the 9-inch length, and that's gonna fill out the rest of this. Honestly, I have two bundles. I'm probably only going to need one. And in terms of spacing for the entire style, I did not do a whole lot of spacing. I barely did a finger space in the back, and I'm trying to get them like right next to each other in the front, so that no matter how my hair goes, you're not really seeing the actual cornrow. So that's how I'm gonna move forward with the rest of this style and finish it up. So this is how it looks all done. I'm gonna go ahead now and shape it up a little bit. As you guys can see, it's a bit long in the back. So all I want to really do is take a scissors to some of the ends and kind of define my shape a bit more. It's a bit long in the back. I don't want it to be too long in the back, but I also want it to come in at an angle in the front. I just find that that angle shapes my face the best, so that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. Alright, so here's how it looks. This is the final result. This is actually a week after I finished the style. Somehow the footage that I had initially got lost, but yeah, I absolutely love it, and I'm glad that I can come back on and tell you guys now. I've been getting so many compliments on the color itself, so I'm just so glad that I did decide to go ahead and go with a more vibrant red this time. So this is how the hair looks, and what I really love about it is, even though I am probably gonna keep it in a side part, I have the option, you know, to have a more of a bang situation if I want to, and there's just a lot of options for me in terms of how I want the hair to lay. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video impromptu tutorial, and if you enjoyed it, let me know by giving this video a heart or a like. Comment down below if you have any questions about any of the products that I used in this video. I'll be happy to help you out with that. So until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.